Hello everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with another speed art video. Today I will be drawing Woody Woodpecker. Let's begin! Let me just stop you guys here. While looking through my iPad, I ended up finding this Woody Woodpecker speed art that I made a while ago, which either I deleted by accident or never uploaded it, but I included it here as the 2018 version. It's going to be the main one. If you guys want to see the 2020 version, it's going to show up later on in this video as like a little bonus video, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to let you guys get back to watching the speed arts. Bye! Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. It lets me know you like content like this. I can't believe I didn't post this video earlier on. It was actually supposed to come after the wolf speed art and before the Aaron speed art. But you know, it came out to be a good thing because I got to redraw it 2 years later. And I actually like the newer one better. He actually looks like closer to that style. Now keep in mind, like when I was doing all these 2018 ones, the earlier speed art videos with like the basic like tree and grass background, I couldn't really draw on digital. I always drew on paper. So it was a lot of trouble for me to even try to change my drawings into a digital perspective because I was so used to paper and just not coloring them. But you know, in 2 years, I think I made some progress here. I'm actually getting a bit more better on drawing the characters. That and I now included adding in my drawed versions. So I draw it first and then add it onto the speed arts. You know, I think that's helped me here with the anatomy portion of adding the characters onto a digital platform. But you know, what do you guys think? Did you guys like the 2018 version or the 2020 version better? That's the question of the day for this video. And you know, I think that this fits perfectly for my little retro. Like I want to include all the retro stuff first, because I don't know, I just think this would be pretty cool adding in all the retro characters. So I already have Mighty Mouse. I drew Felix, now Woody. Let's see who I'm going to be drawing next. And you know what, guys, if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing over to my channel and get notifications on any new content. And as always, stay creative. Bye!